This example model has been set up using a module within SWOOD Design called SWOOD Center, which allows the changeable elements of the design to be modified using a simple form in the user interface. This makes it easy to take data gathered from the client, such as on-site measurements or values pulled from an online configurator, plug them into SWOOD, and come out with a fully complete model ready to be manufactured. So to start, we're going to change the door style to be left side with a side panel. We'll add a vision window and a kick plate, and we'll modify the dimensions slightly to be a little bit wider and deeper, and add some custom property information. We're then ready to go. So with the rebuild of the model, all of our changes will come into effect. These include the number of wall fixings, the side of the handle and the hinges, and the size of many other components of the door. When compared to making all of these changes manually in SOLIDWORKS, SWOOD is a huge time saver. This does more than just change the geometry of the model though. If I edit one of these door panels in a new window, you can see that this model already has CAM program data set up within it using a HOMAG post processor. These were preset to machine the lock drill holes, the hinge bosses, and the internal contours of the vision windows. And these toolpaths will then adapt to the new geometry of the model automatically, saving you from having to make any manual changes. In addition, if any new operations need to be defined, it's as simple as selecting the geometry you'd like to machine and the operation you would like to add. These operations can then be saved into a library of machinings where they can be applied to other geometry via drag and drop, both in the same part or in a completely different one. This sets SWOOD apart from other solutions that exist outside of SOLIDWORKS, as having CAM data that is both easy to set up and reactive to model geometry can really save you from the headache of dealing with any last-minute design changes or alterations to your CAM strategy. The final step of this process is documentation, and for this the SWOOD report has you covered. It's generated automatically with a single button press and contains a whole host of design and manufacturer information, such as cut lists, costing, labels, hardware lists, and more. This is all contained within an HTML document that can be viewed on any device, allowing the shop floor to have easy access to the information they need and keeping miscommunications and wasted material to a minimum. In addition, e-drawings files of both the whole door project and each individual panel are embedded within this document, enabling users to explore the design in 3D using tools such as Measure and Section View, without having to open SOLIDWORKS. SWOOD offers a powerful integrated solution for companies looking to streamline their design to manufacture process within SOLIDWORKS. By combining parametric control, adaptive CAM programming, and automated documentation, SWOOD eliminates repetitive manual tasks and reduces the risk of errors, saving valuable time and resources. For manufacturers in the door systems industry, investing in SWOOD means faster turnaround times, improved accuracy, and a more connected process from sales to shop floor, all within the familiar SOLIDWORKS environment. For more information or to arrange an official demonstration, please give us a ring using the number on screen. Thank you.